Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 30, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column B, column C, we have pair numbers 6, 9, 1. The three numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the three cells. Second row and third row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and fourth row, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column E, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 6. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Sixth row and seventh row, column E, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row and 10th row, column J, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 9. 8th row and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column F, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th grade, we have two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column E, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. 5th row and 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 5th row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row and 6th row, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 6th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column D, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column H, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column H, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column H, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column I, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column I, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column H, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column E, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.